I am going to show you what is in your box. So let's open it up. It has a lovely sticker that says everything you can imagine is real. So, which is a quote by Picasso. So the first things that you'll find is you'll have a group of tempera paint. Tempera paint is paint that is washable. It is water-based, and you'll also have acrylic paint. Acrylic paint is not, it will stain, but it is water-based as well. You will have a paintbrush inside. You also will have a bag of this white powdery stuff. It is Claycrete. It creates, you add 1 cup of water per bag, and it has to be exactly 1 cup of water, and then you kind of mix it around, and it creates hardened paper sculptures that we're going to make food items out of. Then you have 2 packages of Model Magic that we're going to create animals out of. You have a container of fabric extras, and those go with the fabric that you have, and we're going to create a wall hanging or a pillow. You have a piece of aluminum foil and some clay that is white, or some of you who are older have colored, and this is polymer clay that we bake in the oven at 275 degrees, and it creates a hard little sculpture. You will have some paper and then a piece of styrofoam that is made for printmaking. You'll have a paper plate to put your food on. Some of you will have scissors, some of you will not. Some of you will have markers, some of you will not. Everyone will have some popsicle sticks and a little container that says joint compound, and then another little container that says fabric glue. The fabric glue is to glue on things. You'll either have a dowel or a pipe cleaner. Everyone has a roll of, this is 12 by 18 paper for making some big things. You'll have a pencil sharpener, a pencil, a Sharpie, a canvas, and a large 9 by 12 sheets of paper to create on. So the canvas is going to go with the little thing that says joint compound, and we're going to make a canvas that has a raised texture. And we'll do some drawings. So everything that you need is in here. You will need a cup for water, like an old styrofoam cup or an old paper cup, or just something to wash your brush out with. And you might want either a towel or a piece of paper towel to clean your brush as well. And everything else should be included. See you Monday.